welcome at the RTS Guru. Today we are going to learn Unit 18. The title of the Unit 18 is What's the Time? In this unit you will learn the following: how to say the time, how to make an appointment. Here are the words you will learn to use: AM, angry, appointment, clock, early, flight, half, happy, at, o'clock, PM, quarter, sad, today, tomorrow, wedding, welcome, worried, yesterday. Here are some phrases you will learn to use. What's the time? Make an appointment at 1:30, a quarter past, half past, a quarter to. Here are some sentences you will practice. Can you tell me the time, please? It's 2 o'clock. When the meeting? I will meet you at 20 past 10. When does the train leave? Your flight leaves at 8:35 tomorrow evening. Grammar tips. The new structure in this unit is present simple tense with future meaning. Picture 1. Okay, there are 2 clock, 3, 4 clocks. In first clock, time is 1 o'clock. In second, there is about to 3. And in third clock, 7 o'clock. And fourth clock shows time 9:30. Some clocks: 1 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 2, 1 o'clock, picture 3, 2 o'clock, picture 3, 3 o'clock, picture 5, 1 o'clock, picture 6, 2 o'clock, picture 7, 3 o'clock, picture 8, a watch. Okay, picture 9, what's the time, please? It's 2 o'clock. Picture 10, 1:15. Picture 11, 1:13. 1:30, not 13. Picture 12, 1:45. Picture 13, a quarter. Picture 14, a quarter past 1. Picture 15, a quarter past 9. Okay, let's revise this. Picture 1 shows some clocks. Picture 2 shows time 1 o'clock. Picture 3, 2 o'clock. Picture 4, 3 o'clock. Picture 5, 1 o'clock. Picture 6, 2 o'clock. Picture 7, 3 o'clock. Okay, picture 8, a watch. Picture shows a watch. Picture 9, what's the time, please? It's 9 o'clock. Picture 10, 1:15. Picture 12, 1:30. Picture 12, 1:45. Picture 13 shows a quarter. Okay, picture 14 shows a quarter past 1. Picture 15 shows a quarter past 9. Okay, let's move to the next page. I hope you repeat it well. A half. Picture 1 shows a half. Picture 2, half past 1. Picture shows what? Half past 1. Picture 3, half past 10. Picture 4, a quarter. Picture 5, a quarter to 2. Picture 6 shows a quarter to 12. Picture 7, can you tell me the time, please? It's quarter past 5. Picture 8, can you tell me the time, please? It's half past 5. Picture 9, can you tell me the time, please? It's quarter to 6. Picture 11, it's your time to make sentences. Picture 10 shows time here, a quarter past 10. Picture 11, your turn. You can see time here, a half past 10. Picture 12, you can also see here, a quarter to 12. Okay, क्वार्टर पास्ट मीन्स सवा बज रहे हैं और क्वार्टर टू मीन्स पौने बज रहे हैं. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. उससे पहले एक रिवीजन हो जाए. हाफ पास्ट 1, पिक्चर 3, पिक्चर 4, पिक्चर 5, you have to read. Picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 5, picture picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, Picture 12. Let's move to the next page. When is? When's? Picture 1. When is the meeting? At half past 10. Picture 2. When does the train leave? A quarter to 3. Picture 3. 5 past 1, 1:05. Okay. Two different ways you can say 5 past 1. Okay. 5 past 1 or 1:05. 10 past 1 or 1:10. Picture 5 shows a quarter past 1 or 1:15. Picture 6 20 past 1 or 1:20. Picture 7 shows 1:25 past 1 or you can say 1:25. Okay. Picture 8 shows 25 to 2, 1:35. Okay, there are two ways you can say the time. You can tell the time. Picture 9 shows 20 to 2, for 1:40. Picture 10 shows quarter to 2, 1:45. Picture 11 shows 10 to 2, 1:50. Picture 12 shows 5 to 2, 1:55. Okay, let's repeat this again. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8. You have to read this. Picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12. Let's move to the next page. Picture 1. It's 9:30 now. I will meet you at 20 past 10. Okay. Here you can see they are meeting at 10:20 or 20 past 10. Picture 2. It's 9:35 now. I will meet you at 11:15. So you can see in this picture they are both meeting at 15 past 11. Picture 3. 7:05 or 5 past 7 a.m. Picture 4 shows 5 p.m. 7:05 p.m. or 5 past 7 p.m. Let's revise this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4. Let's move to the next page. A wedding. 2:30 wedding. Saturday 2:30 wedding. When's the wedding? It still shows in picture 1. It's at 2:30 tomorrow. Picture 2 or picture 4. When is the wedding? It's at 2:30 today. Picture 5. When's the wedding? It was at 2:30 yesterday. Okay, two different time scales. Here it says it's tomorrow future. It's here in picture 4 it's again talk about the future event, but it's today, and it's past event. Okay, you can say time like this. Picture 1 and picture 2, you can read the responses very well. Let's move to the next page. The wedding is at 2:30. 2:30 is there and they are going to do wedding. Your appointment is at 30 p.m. tomorrow. Mr. Brown. Okay. Hello, Mr. Brown. Picture 3. The meeting is at 9:30 this morning. Welcome to the meeting. Your flight leaves at 8:35 tomorrow evening. Departure tomorrow. Let's revise this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, and picture 4. Let's move to the picture next page. Picture 1. She is happy. She is sad. She is worried. She is angry. She is very happy. She is very sad. She is very worried. She is very angry. Okay. Picture 9 shows the meeting is at 3:45. I'm sorry. I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Picture 9. The meeting is at 10:15. You are early. Picture 11 shows Mary is waiting for her husband. He's late. He's very late and she's angry. Okay, repeat this. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10 and picture 11. Let's move to the next page. The Benson. My card is not here. I will go and get it after lunch. Picture 2. I will call him. Make an appointment. What's his number? 9687 4296. Hello? My name's Tom Benson. I left my card in your shop. Yes, you did. You can come and get it. Yeah, thanks for calling. I will come at 2:30. Is that all right? Sure, that's okay. I will see you then. Picture 5. Thank you very much. That's okay. Picture 6. Would you like to come? I'm sorry. I can't. I have to go to the supermarket with mom. Okay. Let's repeat this. Picture 1. Now it's time to read and it's your turn. Picture 2. Picture 3. Picture 4. Picture 5. Picture 6. And it's time to move to the next page. Picture 7. Okay, I will have some lunch first. Picture 8. Are you coming in? We have to go now. Sure. Picture 9. Wait, can you get me a newspaper please? Okay. Hi Tom. Hi Dad. Picture 11. Where are the mom and Ann? They went to the supermarket. Picture 12. Are you going out after lunch? Yes, I left my card at a drugstore and I have to go and get it. So that's all about unit 18. You repeat it before we finish this unit. Picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11 and picture 12. I hope you repeat it well and we will meet in the next video with the next unit. See you then. Bye.